Once there was a small gray cat named Misty who waited every evening by the front door for her owner to come home. One day, the door never opened. Days turned into weeks, and Misty still sat by that door, staring at the knob that never turned. Neighbors would leave food, but she wouldn't eat much. She just wanted her person. One rainy night, she curled up on the mat, purring softly as thunder rolled. When the morning came, Misty was still there, peaceful, quiet, and finally home in her own way.